Everyone online is telling you July 31st. For thousands of UAE companies, that date is wrong, and trusting it will cost you 10,000 dirhams, more than most people paid for the trade license itself. In the next 30 seconds, I will show you how to calculate your real deadline, because it's a formula, not a date. And stay till the end because there's a free guide for the formula plus a discount that makes this whole problem someone else's job. Hi and welcome to UAE Founder Guide, where current and future founders get straight answers and verified guides. Let's get into it. Quick background. If your company registered late for UAE corporate tax, the FTA charges a fixed penalty, 10,000 dirhams. And here's the fun part. There's no warning letter, no phone call, no WhatsApp, not even a dear valued customer. It just appears in your Emirat tax account one day. It's like a parking fine, but with an extra zero or two. The good news, right now there is a waiver. File your first corporate tax return within your window and the penalty is removed. No application, no begging letter, no wasta required. But here are two details nobody tells you, straight from the accountants filing these every day. Detail 1. The waiver is automatic, but it's not instant. You file and the penalty may still be sitting in your Emirat tax account days or weeks later. That's normal. The FTA reviews after submission and removes it on their own timeline. There is no fixed date. Your job ends at filing on time, so don't panic when it doesn't vanish at the same afternoon. Detail 2. And this is the one the internet gets wrong. If you already paid the 10,000, the money does not come back by itself. You have to submit a refund request application through Emirat Tax after filing. Waiver is automatic, refund you must ask. Two different things. And thousands of people are waiting for money that will never arrive on its own. But here's where everyone gets it wrong. Most articles, agencies, LinkedIn posts, and that one guy in your building who knows about taxes, they all say the same thing, file by July 31st. That's only true for companies whose first tax period ended on 31st December 2025. The actual rule is file within 7 months from the end of your first tax period, not a national cutoff day, your period. And according to the firms filing these returns every single day, getting this date wrong is the number one reason companies miss the waiver, not laziness, the wrong date. So let's calculate yours. 3 steps. You can do this before your coffee gets cold. Step 1. Find the end date of your first tax period. Check your Emirat tax registration, your MOA, or ask your accountant. Most companies December 31st, but if your license was issued mid-year, maybe not you. Step 2. Add 7 months. That's it. That's the math. You don't even need the calculator app. Step 3. Write that date somewhere you'll actually look, not a sticky note that falls behind the desk, your phone. Just set a reminder. See what's happening. If your year ended in March, you have until October. Relax. Finish your coffee. But if your first period ended before December 2025, put the coffee down. Your deadline may have already passed, or it's much closer than the internet told you. The date on everyone's screen is not necessarily your date. If that formula just saved you 10,000 dirhams, the like button is free. Costs you nothing, saves me everything. Because it tells YouTube this channel deserves to exist. And if you want me to provide more videos that save you money instead of selling you a Lamborghini lifestyle course, subscribe. That's the whole business model. You click, I keep verifying tax rules so you don't have to read the FTA PDFs at midnight. Now, before you think I'll deal with it when the FTA contacts me, they won't. The FTA moved from awareness campaigns to active enforcement this year. The penalty is fixed, automatic, and applied through Emarat Tax without warning. You will just log in one day and see minus 10,000 dirhams. And unlike your gym membership, ignoring it doesn't make it expire. 3 traps inside this waiver that almost nobody explains. Trap 1. Filing early doesn't mean paying early. The waiver wants your return at 7 months. Your tax payment deadline is still the standard 9 months. 2 separate clocks. File in month 7, pay by month 9. Don't let anyone rush your cash out the door 2 months earlier unless you can do it. Trap 2. Zero revenue doesn't mean zero obligation. Company made nothing last year? That license you opened just for the visa and haven't thought about it since? It hasn't forgotten you. If it's registered for corporate tax, it files, even at zero, and late filing costs 500 dirhams per month, every month, even when you owe nothing. Yes, you can owe penalties on company that never made a dirham. Welcome to compliance. Trap 3. This is the first return only. The waiver applies to your first tax period. Missed the window and there's no round 2? The 10,000 dirhams stands plus late filing penalties plus 14% per year on any unpaid tax. And since April, these penalties stag, registration, filing, and payment penalties can all run at the same time. It's like a subscriptions you forget to cancel, except the FTA never offers a free trial. So one more time. Your waiver deadline is your first tax period end date plus 7 months, not necessarily July 31st. Unpaid penalty? Filing on time removes it automatically, though not instantly. Already paid it? File on time, then submit the refund request. The money doesn't come back on its own, and even at zero revenue, you file. And now, the 2 things I promised you at the start. First, the free guide. The deadline checklist is linked below. It gives you the full formula table for every month, mainland or free zone. Download it, calculate your day to day, and if it's closed, move now. Second, if you'd rather not touch any of this, the registration, the return, the portal, all of it, I've partnered with a licensed FTA registered firm, and viewers of this channel get 15% discount on accounting and audit services, in addition to 25% discount on tax services. Link below in the description, fill the short form, they take it from there. One important note, I am not a tax advisor and this isn't a tax advice. Always confirm your situation on the official FTA website or with a registered tax agent. Everything I've quoted is current as of filming, and the FTA's official waiver page is linked in the description. If this video saved you 10,000 dirhams, the subscribe button is a lot cheaper than the penalty. Thank you for watching.